am making a video about how to harvest seeds from your petunia and plant them next year when the spring comes again. I am making a video here and my friend is here visiting me again. This is my favorite here. My friend is eating my crab apple tree. No, not the tree but the leaves. It makes me happy every time it visits me. Almost every day. This lovely deer is here eating my plants, and it's beautiful. And suddenly this big creature here just appeared in my sight. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, it just came in front of me and I was terrified, so it run away a little bit and it went to my crab apple, and now it's eating my plants. Yeah, I think that's the reason why it keeps coming back here, because of my plants. He loves to eat my plants. Well, I know it's illegal to feed wild animals here in Wyoming, but I'm not feeding them. They're just coming and help themselves, I mean. Oh my god, look at that. The horn, the antler, I mean, they call it antler. So I'm going to do a video about this some other time. I'm going to show you how to grow your own petunia with their seeds. So you don't need to buy your petunias next year, so you can grow them. And I just discovered that. Yeah, this day I just discovered it. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's eating my what are those? Oh. Oh no. Yeah. No, it's going somewhere. Alright, bye bye for now. Thank you for bothering me, for scaring me. It went to the neighborhood, to the other houses right there. So beautiful.